Today's modification at Lakeside Fabrication is changing the AMS winch. I'm sure some of you can see issues already, wire rope and roller. I'm going to take a section of this out on here, which is hollow underneath, and fit a bigger winch on, and obviously a new mounting plate because this one has had to be welded numerous times. So that is the agenda for today. Fit one of my old winches on, well, old but spare. I've got my old Isuzu D-Max winch mount, which they might be able to recycle a bit and chop a bit off, and fit a proper roller on. A fair lead, should I say. And that's it, fingers crossed. Just got to solder up my connections now. Yes, obviously there's a bit of a gap missing, but who gives a fuck? You know, that is the new winch bracket on, mounted, £13,500 winch that'll absolutely pull a house down. Absolutely happy, job well done. I know some of you won't like this, but guess what? I don't care, it's a workhorse, at least I can get to me clutch. So yeah, absolutely happy. So YouTubers, that is the new winch installed. £13,500 winch, it's an eBay special, had it for a couple of years, now it's finally in use, much stronger and better than ever, and it all works on the remote control. If you like what you see, like and subscribe.